What up with it? Your boy Q hollering at you. Figure I'd go ahead and start recording because I went ahead and downloaded the trial to see if I wanted a solo session. So I'm just messing around with it. Want to keep the vibe. Let's see what this sound pack got to offer. Let's get it. So I already laid down a little bass line. And I'm probably make something a little weird. And I found this just by the name Liquid Lover. And I'm going to make this fit somehow. There you go. And I realize you can't see the whole keyboard, but you'll be alright. Try to keep the vibe. Let's keep the vibe. Let's go ahead. Drop that in there. Oh, that's cool. And now I'm gonna do modifications to the sound. Normally, a lot of people would mod it before they just put it in there. But I got it in there now and I'm gonna mess with it a little bit. There we go. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Alright, let's figure out something nice and simple to go in here. And I'm gonna keep that person there too. Then we're gonna do shift latch. Oh yeah. Dog going crazy in the background. Oh, I like that triple. That's cool. And then we're gonna add some more as we go. That's hard. Oh, 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 oh. Then we're gonna add some more to it. Now I'm gonna try this retro record that certain folk keep always telling me to use. So let me move that. Messing that up. And which one is the playhead? All right, right there. Boom. Right. And see, I'd rather just record it in than do all this, dog. If you like retro record, good for you, dog. You see, I don't even know how to use it properly, so I'm gonna just play it out anyway. All right. So a little call and response right there. And I might do it with another layer. And that might be doing too much, but we're just having fun. And I'm gonna add one more little section of stuff and then I'll do like a little dropout. It's attacking too fast for my taste, so I'm gonna I'ma edit this bad boy. Slow down that attack, you know what I'm saying? And where can I do that? Let's see, envelope filter, A, B. Okay, there we go. There we go, make it a little bit smoother. It's too on the nose, you know what I mean? It's like it's too perfect. It's so robotic. So we want to go ahead and tighten that up and make that less robotic. You feel me? Let's go all the way in there. Humanize. And take it back right there. Apply, do it. Anyway, I know there's a little off. Let me go ahead and tighten that up. Let me not leave it like that, because I sure was about to. Let me go right there. Go to the little time correct. That's another thing I do with time correct. A lot of times I don't put the strength on 100. I might take it down to about 70 something, 80 something, somewhere in there. And then I'll say just do the selected events. Boom. Tighten it up a little bit, but don't take the human feel out of it. All right, let's see what we got. These some hard little sounds though, and that is not the right key, but that's what make it cool to me. Just experiment, man. Have fun. Yeah. Need some leveling. Not down here, no. Yeah, Soul says I'm probably have to go ahead and lock it in. I like the foundation. Am I gonna catch it? I caught it. There we go. Anyway, if you made it this far, thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Till next time, it's been your boy Q. Hollering at you. Peace.